a Japanese woodworking technique that doesn't use nails, screws, or glue. This tradition, called Sashimono, started in ancient Japan. Craftsmen made strong furniture and structures using only wood. They created joints so precise that the pieces fit together like a puzzle. The secret is techniques that let the wood expand and contract evenly, preventing cracks and damage. But the best is this: because the joints are from one material, they don't rust or corrode, making constructions last longer. The stress on the joints is also more even, making pieces more stable and durable. Putting these joints together is simple. Each piece is cut and carved to fit perfectly, making assembly easier and less reliant on modern tools. Constructions made with Sashimono are known for their strength and often last centuries.